How's it going, everyone? For today's video, I'll be installing a front, side, and rear lips on my brother's 2016 WRX. Now, here are the parts right here. Here's the front lip, the little side rear valence, and then the side lips or side splitters, I guess, here. Now, these aren't straight. I don't know if they'll naturally bend back, maybe with the heat. I'm not sure. That'll be interesting. But it came with all the hardware. Now, it came with bolts and washers. Not really sure how I'm gonna get those on because, like, I installed a rear diffuser on my G35, and all I did was just screw in self-tapping screws. For this bolts. And for the bolt and washers, I have to drill holes and then screw them in. I'm not sure what they go into though. I'm a little confused. Maybe once I look under there, I'll see that it goes into something. Because you can see on the lip, they have all the holes already, like, you know, pre-done. Like, there's a little small one right here, the bigger ones here. They have them all pre-done, so I'm assuming it must go into something in the OEM bumper that the bolt will grab a hold of. Other than that, I have no idea. So I'm about to look under there and find out, because yeah, I got no clue. I already found one thing they don't tell you to do in the video. As far as I can tell right now, you're going to have to take this piece off because this end right here won't wrap around it. So you have to take this off, which is just held on by some plastic clips. So we'll take that off. I'm going to try and just plastic clip this one side on for right now, and then maybe get the other side that'll kind of put it up. And then there's some plastic clips right here in the middle that you do in the middle part right there. I'll do all that first, and then that should get it even to where I can see if I need to drill holes or not. So, all right, I got it on. It's just being held on by the plastic clips. For this one side, what I figured out you had to do was, once you take out the clip from this bracket right here, you slide this in between the two and then reconnect it like that. So now it's only held on by the plastic clips. All right, so I feel dumb. I finally figured it out. Looking at the hardware again, it is a bolt, a washer with a nut. So you're supposed to drill a hole, do bolt, washer into it, and then nut on the other side and tighten it down. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. There's very little space in between the bumper and the lip to do that. So I'm just gonna get self-tapping screws and do it that way, because that's a hell of a lot easier. All right, so time to drill some holes. Got my self-drilling screws right here and some washers just to give it some more coverage when I screw it in there. So let's get to it. I'm a little nervous. I'm drilling into my brother's 2016 car. Should be fun. Alright, so here's the front lip all installed. Looking really good. Those the self tappers, I would totally recommend them over the bolts and washers. God, it makes it look so mean. Now for these rear pieces, it says to only hold them on by these plastic clips. However, I will not be doing that. I'll just be using the two that are already provided, and then I'll be using 3M tape to hold up the rest of it. because this is a 6.5mm drill. I may do that because I have one of those stepped, tree drill bits. I may do it. I kind of don't want to, so I'm just going to use the 2 clips that are already in there and then use 3M tape for the rest. Yeah, they look really good. They really set off the rear or finish it off like on the ends. That looks really good. So that install was a lot easier than I thought. Went really smooth once I figured everything out. So this video is just on the front lip and the rear splats, I guess they call them. And the next video, I'll do the side skirt, side lip, side splitter, whatever you want to call them. I don't know if it's between like a lip and a splitter. I don't know what to call it. We'll call it both. So I hope you guys liked that video. Hope it helped a little, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.